Alamitos Park. We're almost there. It's gonna take a minute, but I will put a video just regarding this park. So once we get there, I'll start recording more. But until then, guys, keep tuned. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I got lost just getting here, but we just got here. It's the Arbor Dog Park. We're gonna be you know, just enjoying the dog park. I'm gonna show you around. There's not much around, to be honest. It's just land here, and I think it's like a base, and technically everything here is just dogs. So we're gonna check it out. So this is literally a dog park really. So there's literally just places to sit. It's like a random dirt over there, and then just trees. 2 parks, but that's it. Very windy today, cloudy. It says it's gonna rain tomorrow, so it's a cute little guy. But that's pretty much it, guys. Out there is more like a base, some sort, and a brand of baseball. But there's no places to really walk. It's just for dogs. But there you have it. That's Arbor Dog Park. Nothing to it really. Like a combination of big dogs and small dogs here. Different dogs. Cute little guy. Cute little doggies. My dog can't leave them alone. He's attracted to my dogs. I don't know what it is. I think it's my brother's dog. But I am gonna decide to walk out there to see if I can walk my dog over there. Looks like a big field to walk. So we'll see. Pretty muddy. This place is really hidden, by the way. So you are gonna miss it if you don't look for it. So it's really hidden. But yeah, I think this place is kind of like a shooting range or something. I'm not sure. Let's get closer to it. Looks like it's something for practice. I don't know. So I entered there was like a sign that said base or something base. Pretty nice, guys. Nothing to it. There's no playground or anything, so it's only dog friendly. Pretty flat. Then over there, it's like a golf park. That's something that you do see when you come here. Just like a golf park. It's kind of wet grass here, but kind of random. They're pretty cool. I don't know what they're gonna make there though. I don't know if they're gonna expand the park, but I guess we'll see after this year, maybe next year. See what the heck they're making over there. It's a perfect place too. Like if you don't want to use your leash, you could just have your dog free for a little bit. And they literally just say no dogs allowed. But we're just making the best of it here. There's just no land. I mean, I guess it's making the best of things. Cause you can't really walk in the dog park in there. So that's what's kind of lame. They're trying to do the best. So we're gonna just do this lap and then go back in there. We'll see. And then there's like a small park for small dogs. And it's a small area. There's one area for big dogs. And then this one's for my little doggy. So I think over there for more for big dogs, but there's small dogs out there. But yeah, little quick. So this is the park that we went to, and we're saying goodbye. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.